YouTubers, welcome to TechWell. Today I'm going to take a look at the Osmo Pocket, and just a disclaimer, this is something I purchased from my own money. It wasn't sponsored or given to me to give any favorable review, and also this is my favorite camera, so there may be some bias on the Osmo Pocket, but it is my favorite camera. I use this camera for everything, whether it be just a walk in the park or just a small road trip. This is my favorite camera. It is versatile. Today we'll just talk about some of those creative pieces that you can use. This camera is right now I think it sells $369 US on the DJI store. Not going to talk about all the specs. You guys can see the specs online, but I'm just going to give you my personal opinion on some of the features that I personally use day to day on this camera and that I love about this camera. It is 4K, so all you 4K fans out there, this will shoot 60 frames per second in 4K, which is just phenomenal. Some of the features about this camera that I like is the size. Just compact. It is small. It's rugged. It has this rubbery texture to it, and obviously it has a screen at the back that you can see when vlogging. I believe it is the ideal vlogging camera. It is not waterproof, but you can definitely get a waterproof shell to put it in to make it waterproof. This is an accessory that I have. Just basically just slide it off, and this is what comes with the camera inside the box. So you get this, the camera, obviously the packaging would include some USB-C and Lightning adapter that came with it, but it's very basic. Can you use the basic packaging that comes with the camera to shoot? Maybe, but do you get the true benefit of the camera? I don't think so. You actually need to invest in some accessories. The accessories are the best part of the camera, and I think my personal opinion is the accessories are heavily overpriced. They're super expensive, but it does make using the camera a lot better. So I'm not gonna open a box and look at all the instructions and all that stuff. That's not so much important. We know that already, so I'm gonna put that aside for now and just look at the camera, some of the pieces to the camera. So obviously in the off position, the gimbal is on the side. That fits nicely in the case that comes in the camera. On the front part of the camera, you will notice that there is the base for attaching the USB or Lightning adapter, so you can connect it to your phone and you can see the video right off your phone. The record option, the power option, you can use that as different option for functionality. Micro USB, micro SD card. This here I find is kind of a challenge to insert the micro SD card. You actually have to get something really tiny to force it in. Recommendation is to take a piece of tape and just tape it on it, so it's easy for you to take it out and put it in. But if it does get stuck in it, that will be a nightmare to take out. At the bottom of it, you can see the actual DJI charging port, allows you to charge the camera, and pretty much it. There's not much to it. There's the microphone option there, but yeah, what I also like about the camera is obviously it has the DJI logo on the side, is that it feels very rugged. You can sit on a desk and do your vlogging. You know, it's very compact in your hands, very rugged, but also on the top piece, the gimbal is very fragile, so you want to just be careful when using it. If it falls off the desk, you can definitely damage the gimbal. So it's recommended that you get a case or a shell or something that keeps the gimbal protected when you're traveling. So what is my accessories that I recommend on this camera? To start with, I've been using this adapter right here, and what I like about this adapter is you can actually set the camera on the adapter, and it allows you to stream what's on the camera on your cell phone. So your cell phone is my top favorite accessory for the Osmo Pocket. You guys know already, my favorite accessory for the DJI Mini is the dome case. Is it necessary? Not really. Is it a social piece? Absolutely. And so is this accessory. So this accessory is the Osmo Pocket charging smart case. And basically what I like about it, obviously it's compact, portable, it's pretty solid, fits in your pocket. And the best part of it is that it charges the Osmo Pocket while you are obviously traveling. You're on a charge, you stick it inside this charging case, it charges it. Or let's say you're doing several shots in a day, you can obviously stick your Osmo Pocket after recording into the smart case, it recharges it, so you're good to go. And the other features that I like about it is that it's so cool. I mean, look at it, it's just so simple, cool, stylish. It has this fabric cover on the front, the back of it just solid metal, and then you have the ability to charge it at the bottom here, and then you have this little slider here. You open it up and look, I mean, it's just so simple, elegant. It just pops out there. There's the Osmo Pocket inside. It's charging, and it actually, I'm just gonna take it out so you can see, it actually has the connection there for the charging. And inside of the case you have the ability to store filters, ND filters for the Osmo Pocket, to obviously control the light inside. And you can store the USB-C as well as additional memory cards. So you always have spare memory cards, which is just fantastic. It is a all-in-one solution just for the Osmo Pocket for traveling. So I definitely recommend this here for the Osmo Pocket. It is my favorite accessory, and it just keeps, obviously, my most important concern is the gimbal. Once you slip it in, it keeps the gimbal protected, so you don't have to worry about gimbal getting scratches on the lens or the gimbal, you know, getting damaged. So I definitely recommend this here as the accessory for the Osmo Pocket. The only challenge I have with this smart case is super expensive. It is about $100 on the DJI store. Like most of the accessory DJI, it's quite expensive, but it is a fantastic, elegant, simple storage for the Osmo Pocket. Allows you to travel really easily with the Osmo Pocket. Protects it and gives you versatility and functionality of the Osmo Pocket. So what do I recommend for the Osmo Pocket? So I obviously recommend the smart travel case, and my second highly recommended accessory would be the wireless video adapter. That way you can transmit that video to your cell phone. It allows you to control the video content right off your cell phone and the settings of the video off the cell phone. So these two products here, $100 for the Osmo Smart Cover. I think another $40 just for the Pocket. You're looking at about $140 in additional accessory, but definitely worth it in the long run. So it is my favorite camera, the Osmo Pocket. It is versatile, very stable. Whenever I'm taking my drone out for flight, I always have the Osmo Pocket, so I'm able to shoot photos and videos of the drone while in flight. So yeah, like I said, I just recommend the Osmo Pocket. and I think there's no other competitor like the Osmo Pocket in the market with the versatility, functionality, elegance, and obviously DJI built product on the market. So please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any opinions, any comments, please leave it inside the comment section, and I will be able to review that and obviously give my opinion back. So please like my channel, and if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer those questions. Thank you. Thumbs up for the Osmo Pocket. My favorite camera, my favorite device.